Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
Hello, Rafting. This week about sa kanti ko ni ang nikital pa video on naram chakswa. Anikin ba Rafting da alde yan river rafting day. Da alo ya Ganga chibi mau river rafting kana menga. Anikin ba na nga yan river rafting gear ko ganeng jok yan helmet aro ya waterproof jacket aro ya vest jacket mo life jacket yan rafting boat aro ya si manderang bayan river rafting na kita ganenga. Yan ang tangtang ni Gerang ko ratok niya digin ba na dao yan ni river rafting kana ri angin anigin ba na Rafting ya river rafting kana sakra ko hajal gani na nga anigin ba na ya ang ati saksanong ani gaman ya gapan sini bag ba mandirang mga ko dito nagjok nigin mang na yan isang si yan Ganga river yan onari angin mo na yan kilometer ko grit dok ko river rafting ka again uni gaman Rafting ya video day yan river rafting ka ani video again uni gaman haya video ko niyang na yan ibor pingrang yan river rafting gear rang helmet aro jacket rang life jacket rang aro yan raft ko yan pump skinga nagan ba na yarang baksan kagin ang kodi yarang baksa do nataha aro yan niat po Rishikesh ni abrirang yan rafting ko pump skinga boat ko yan ibo boat na pump skinga yan rafting boat Red Chili Adventure aro yan po sa kod isa aro yan isa
you can use this button. Open the website from the here and from the hand side. Got it? Then simply you're gonna wear it just like a backpack. This way you have to wear it. Look, this flap always put it outside. Don't put it inside.
So yan Ganga chibi mao na ring jok Rafting rang yan Ganga chibi ma yan on rafting again ani bo ya gapan group rang yan rafting gi gni yarang baka angya aro ya group ki isa gi gapan yarang bayron yan ka angya si derong talbia blue litobia yan Rafting rang hanga sok bazok ya Ganga chibi mao na nikin bana yarong rafting ka again aro yara pedal ang ni samha jakasyo andigen ba na salde deng nga andi ba yan aya jacket ang hugane mga sunburn ko don sa protect kai gno an singen aro an singa aro yan gni ga pa changna angni ya Rishikesh to rafting ka ani maina hadal gni kol dusyo banga rafting ka jo khade aro yan gni ga pa ya Rishikesh so Ganga au khani una grade Nepal Sri Lanka wana ka barang banga rafting ka jok aro na mena an singa ya kilometer kol grit dok ko kai nga jo kana mo konta gni rang den ang gen ya ko khana kita uni gaman ya video na simang niksuai gen mo niro ruang ai bo
This is good? Very bad. This is good? So always do lean forward, keep your paddle vertical, and dip till here, the entire blade. Then, front to back. This way, you have to forward. When your stroke finish, back to
I think you guys good. Thank you. Yeah, good work. Fine, totally fine. Let's see, can we balance in the waves as well? So this is a grade 2 rapid. Yeah. And you can put the whole body weight something like this inside the raft. Incoming! Dobara. Come on. Do not lose your balance. Come on, guys. Good work, everyone. Good work. Come on, go forward again, team. Go forward. Okay, stop now. And relax. All guys good? Bala, all good? And let's go forward again. Go forward. Okay, stop. Go faster. Go fast, go fast, go fast. Come on guys, go fast. Go, 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 go. Go forward, go forward, go forward. Okay, stop now. Is everyone all right? 3 cheers for the 3 blind mice. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! With a smile on the face, we'll say Gange Bhaiya Ki! Let's go forward now. Go forward, go fast. Right in front of you. Yeah. Go forward, go forward, go fast, go fast, go fast. Go fast, go fast, go fast, go fast, go fast. Okay, stop. Okay, stop now. And go back pedal, guys, go back pedal. Okay, stop now. And
I think that we've all had enough. Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons cry, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough.
साइड पीछे ही रहता है, आपका भी पीछे ही है. Okay, let's go. Woo, let's go forward now.
It's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt to multiply and save it.
Go, 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 go. Go forward, go forward. Okay guys, stop now. Okay, have a look at the grey raft, guys. Okay, stop. Have a look at the grey raft over there. So we call it return to sender because if you enter the wrong side, you have to come back all the way to the top of the rapid and then you start again. So now they will have to come up again and then they will start again. Okay, go forward now.
Our hearts beat to the city streets.
Go, 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 go
We
fast.
began to feel the fire.
Okay, stop now.
We
Okay, go
rise
forward again.
like tall buildings.
Go, 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 go fast, go
As
fast.
the chemicals that take us higher. The night's
Okay, stop.
young, and it's just begun. As she puts her hand in mine.
ये खींच रही हूँ मैं, खींच रहा हूँ नीचे देखना है. Okay guys, from the right only, go forward. Come on, go forward everyone.
Pulls down from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Okay, go forward again guys, go forward.
Yeah, the morning is the fast, ready, go fast. Go, 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 everyone, go faster. Keep going, keep going, keep going, go forward. Go fast, go fast, go fast. Reset, red beach, come on.
Yan, yan puro pingrang yan. Tapos nga ya rong bra kuning camping nga ya rapid gas nga. Aya rapid ka sugabaw ning tak nga pingrang dikin mana yan o drone si video ka gabarang ka nga ani kay mga yan o rapid ka so ning tak nga dao kilometer kulgrit rang de ka bazok dao kilometer dok rang dong kugen ani gin mana yan ang ni team ni mandirang digin mana ya ga aswa yan o chi dare thara karo rapid ni akan git mo dia dare thara karo yan o ga aswa ya Anigin mo na, singa dir pingrang yan, Ganga, Rishikesh ni. Woo! Yo bro! Woo!